Hey guys, today I want to introduce you to our newest family member. This is Elle, and her name is from Lord of the Rings. If you think you know where it's from, leave me a comment down below, and I'll tell you if you're right or not. Elle loves to play, and, well, Elle loves to destroy things. So she's still a puppy. She's about 10 months old now, and we are so excited to have her with us. Mr. Panda has a new Instagram for Lorian and Elle. It is at panda_pigs, and if you would follow it, it would make his day. He would love you so much. I'll leave the link down below. Anyway, today I'm going to be making a Elle-related charm, and my friend Polymomo T drew this for me in the Kanahe style, and I absolutely love it. He said I could make a charm, so don't worry, I have permission. As usual, I'm going to start by drawing the outline with an oil-based marker. And today, though, I'm going to separate each layer and make a kind of 3D piece. Now, I am using an oil-based marker here, and normally that's not a problem at all, but for some reason I really struggled with it for this piece because I tried doming it or sealing it with a new spray that I'm not used to, and I ended up switching to colored pencil for a different version, and that worked much better for me. And also, my pens kept running out of ink, so I had to go out and purchase more markers, and it was a hassle. But anyway, I finished all the different outline layers here. I'm going to cut them out, and of course, with shrink plastic, you can't just stick them together like this. You have to shrink them. So I popped them into my toaster oven, and this is the fun part. I love watching my shrink plastic shrink. It is a little nerve-wracking when it curls up on itself, but you can put a piece of foil on top as well, and that will help it from sticking to itself, but I find that I can't really tell when it's done shrinking, so I just like to leave it as is and keep an eye on it, because it usually unsticks for the most part. Next, I'm going to take some white acrylic paint and paint the back of the charm because, well, Elle is a white Schnauzer, so had to be white, and this took about maybe 4 coats to get an even color, and then I actually domed it with resin. This was my first attempt, and I just didn't really like how it looked. It looked kind of bumpy, so I tried Mr. Super Clear, and well, this apparently dissolves oil-based markers. So then I had to switch to colored pencil, which worked fine, but apparently the spray dissolved the glue on my washi tape, so that was weird. But anyways, this is what I ended up with, and it could use a little bit more cleaning up and stuff, but at this point I was too frustrated. So this is what I ended up with. I hope you'll follow Mr. Panda on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.